Hi friends, today video is all about product costing. In this video I will just give a basic introduction of product costing. So what is meant by product costing? Product costing is one of the important module in SAP controlling. It is used to determine the cost of a product. Okay, so if you are manufacturing any product, so what we need to do before releasing the product into the market, we need to fix price or cost of that product. Okay, so how it can be done? This can be done through product costing concept. Product costing. Okay, I'll take one small example. Okay, so example is for example I'm manufacturing a product called cell phone. Okay, so take example, it is iPhone 10. Okay, so before releasing iPhone 10 into the market, what I should do? I should fix the cost of individual phone. Okay, so the price which you are fixing for that product, and that it should be the combination of, means the cost means cost or price which I am fixing for the product should be combination of, okay, it should be combination of what? So it should include combination in the sense it should include material cost. Okay, material cost should be included. Second one is machinery cost should be included. Okay, next overhead cost should be included. Okay, next manpower cost, manpower cost. So next what? Electricity or transport cost. Okay, these all are indirect cost. Okay, so all these costs should be included when you are fixing price of a product. Okay, so in order to calculate that cost, so what we need to do is, so we need to work on product costing. In product costing, planning is done first. Okay, so why we need to plan? Because we need to fix one price. So how you will fix the price? So if you are calculating everything and if you are fixing one price, means we need to forecast. Okay, means if the price of the product is some iPhone, it's around some 80,000. Okay, you are fixing this price. Later when you get this actual, then we will compare this actual and plan price. Okay, so in product costing, planning is done first. So product costing is divided into three parts. Okay, we'll discuss regarding that. See, so in product costing, we are having product cost planning, Okay, first one is we have product cost planning, and next we are having cost object control. Okay, so and the last one is actual costing. Okay, so in product costing we are having three parts. First one is product cost planning, cost object control, and actual costing. So and again in product cost planning we have two scenarios. First one is standard cost estimate with quantity structure. Okay, so we have two things. First one is standard cost estimate with quantity structure. Okay, and next one is standard cost estimate without quantity structure. So these are the two parts, means two things which we have in product cost planning. Okay, this divided into product cost planning is divided into two parts. First one is standard cost estimate with quantity structure and standard cost estimate without quantity structure. And in cost object control we are having following topics. Those are product cost by order. So next one is product cost by period. Okay, next is product cost by sales order. Okay, next in actual costing we have a concept called as material ledger. Okay, so first thing is product costing is divided into three parts. One is product cost planning, cost object control, actual costing. In product cost planning we are having standard cost estimate without quantity with quantity structure, standard cost estimate without quantity structure. Okay, this is without quantity structure. Okay, next in cost object control we are having three parts. One is product cost by order, product cost by period, product cost by sales order, and actual costing we are having material ledger. Okay, let's log in into SAP and let's see the following submodules which are in product costing. Okay, okay, go to SPRO screen. Okay, go to controlling, and here see product cost controlling. In product cost controlling, as I said you, there are three major things. One is product cost planning, cost object control, and actual costing or material ledger. So let's discuss about product cost planning. So as I said you, in product cost planning, first I will discuss regarding product cost with standard cost estimate with quantity structure. Okay, so now we are going to discuss about standard cost estimate with quantity structure. Okay, just I'll give a brief. Okay, I won't show you in any configuration in this video. Later in next videos I'll explain you in detail about the configuration thing. Okay, in standard cost estimate structure. Okay, so here we have three important things. important configuration steps. You can tell us important configuration steps. First one is creation of component structure, or you can call it as cost component structure. Creation of cost component structure. Okay, and second is creation of costing sheet. Okay, next BOM. Okay, means BOM is nothing but bill of material, bills of material. Okay, and next most important thing is costing variant. Okay, so this is the basic introduction of product costing. So in my next video I will show you the configuration of standard cost estimate with quantity structure. Means I will show you how to create cost component structure. Okay, please subscribe my videos and keep watching.